Good morning, Kate Shepherd scholars.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated.
Today is Wednesday, November the 2nd.
Today's weather: high of 81, low of 55, sunny, and 6% chance of rain.
Today's breakfast: pancakes on a stick, fruit of choice, juice of choice. Lunch: ribbon, protein, vegetable blend, salad, fruit of choice, juice of choice.
Today's announcements: PLP. The district has provided our 2 PLP indicators for this year. You will soon receive the indicators and an example of PLP using these indicators. Be on the lookout for this. Insights to Behavior District required training. All certified staff should have received an email from Insights to Behavior on 10/19. All certified staff must complete the training by December 12th as stated in the email you received. Safety walkthrough. Our ALSDE representative did not make it on our schedule today. They may come at any time unannounced. Please make sure to continue to ensure all safety measures are in place. Late duty. Today is Miss Lee. Tomorrow, Miss Clark on the 4th. Miss Blankenship on the 7th. Miss Hamlin on the 8th. Miss Bolton on the 9th. Miss Arch, and on the 10th, Miss Lowe.
Important dates. Today's important dates: no tardy party for students, for early tardies or dismissal during the month of October. Good job for everyone. Archery practice is today, so please head to the gym this afternoon. Happy birthday. There are no birthdays today.
Question of the day. Are you curious about something? You can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library. Question of the day. Mahogany came up with a great question and found some great answers. Question: how do you push through the worst times? Focus on things within your control. Accept change by looking to your past. Prioritize relationships. Don't withdraw in tough times. Try to avoid negative people. Expand your social network. Get enough exercise and practice a mind and body relaxation technique.
That's all for today's news. Have a happy, wonderful Wednesday.